I'm going to teach you how to modify the water filter on the Samsung RFG 238 AARS/XAA model refrigerator. The issue is that the water filter does not fit into the chamber. To get the water filter to fit, you're going to have to cut off the corner or the edge of the water filter, as can be seen by the Sharpie mark on this photograph. Here's a photo of the original water filter that was uncut and does not fit. I'm going to show you the one that I cut previously. And of course you can see right there. And I had to cut off both sides. Just a little, take the corner off. Here's a picture of one, let's see here, has not been cut. And then I just put some Sharpie there so you can see the area I'm going to cut off. When I'm done, it'll look like that. So let's go ahead and do it. All right. It's pretty soft metal. Or not metal, it's pretty soft plastic. Just trying to make sure I can get in the camera here. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to mark it. Just putting a lot of pressure down there. Okay. And then just kind of cut it underneath. It's relatively soft plastic. You can see the piece it's already coming out. Trim it just a tad. It's probably enough right there. Just a tad off the edge. Okay, so I did that side. Get my Sharpie out. This side, let's see, it's 1/8 of an inch on the bottom, and then you're going to go all the way up like that. Go ahead and cut this now. If you've tried to search for this model water filter, you'll find they'll send it to you. It just won't fit. And this is the only way. You call the manufacturer. They swear it should fit, and it doesn't. This is the only option, is to make your own. Fortunately, it's not that complicated. Just be careful not to cut yourself, because then you have to include the price of a hospital emergency room visit to get stitches. Okay, so now you do this, try to screw it on. If it doesn't screw on, then you shave a little bit more off until it does. But it was about 1/8 of an inch off this side. It was a little more, when I actually didn't measure it, but I'm guessing it was probably closer to a 1/4 inch that I took off on this side up here. Anyhow, so let's see. This is the one that's been on there for several months and clogged up. Yeah, that's how you create your own water filter for your Samsung refrigerator that actually fits. Here's the final product. You can see on the right side is the original one, and the left side is the trimmed water filter that now fits.